Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing immigration inspections. As discussed in an alert I recently made and put up, we discussed the fact that, inspections are going to go up, especially spot inspections. This is coming in the wake of this sort of trend or phenomenon, if you will, of so-called foreigners behaving badly here in Thailand, where we have seen a number of foreigners who have come in and gotten into altercations with other foreigners, gotten into altercations with the police, been arrested, did all kinds of crazy stuff. There was one incident of a person wandering around naked down in Phuket, if I recall. I don't think we did a video on that one. I just kind of let that one slide. In any event, the Thais aren't thrilled by all of this activity. I mean, would you like it if people were coming to your country and, getting in fights with your traffic police and stuff? You probably wouldn't. I don't love it. I don't know what's going on with some of these folks, but, this is Thailand, and Thailand is a place where the Thais live, and they want to live in a prosperous and peaceful society, and they don't really want to put up with a lot of this nonsense. So, look, the upshot of this is there's got to be more immigration inspections. Count on it. I think it's the message I've gotten through the channels that we go through when we're talking to Thai immigration. The message I got was count on it, basically. Now, the question posed by this video, though, is could immigration inspections have implications for so-called land-holding companies? As we've discussed in other videos, it is illegal for foreign nationals to own land in Thailand. There are some very narrow exclusions to that require signatures and authorization at a very high level here in Thailand to be able to do that. Most people, it just isn't feasible. We're talking folks that are like buying a villa. You're not going to go through those channels. It just isn't how it's actually going to work. So long story short, people try to go for these workarounds, so-called, but they're color of law. As we've discussed in many other videos, Thai immigration and other Thai law enforcement have raided even law firms in order to find corporate documentation pertaining to corporations which allow foreigners to own land in Thailand. Thais are very, very sensitive to the notion of foreigners owning their land. They don't like it, okay? What I'm trying to bring up in this video, though, is if you have a landholding company that you also have immigration benefits stemming therefrom, you could have a target on your back because the inspection, if you will, again, they're talking about spot inspections, random spot inspections. And on top of that, if your office, for example, or your legal office is something you are using a company to own, you could have a serious problem if an inspection comes in and says, wait a minute, you're a foreigner, you're using this land, you're effectively owning this land, using this company, we want to do a further inspection, and that could even lead to a dissolution of the company and a seizure of the underlying property. So something to bear in mind. I'm not trying to make this to cause folks consternation. I'm hoping to make this to put people on notice so they can get their ducks in a row, get into compliance with relevant Thai law so that they don't get into a situation where they end up losing substantial investment here in the Kingdom of Thailand.